So we're at the library. It's middle of May, just past the middle of May, and this morning I woke up, brushed my teeth, had a shower. But what's going on here? You see this? It's raining, it's hailing, and I know we need this kind of stuff, but I'm a little bit upset. Oh my goodness, look at this guy here. Oh, thunder. I've got laundry on the line. I'm just hoping it turns to hail, because then the hail will just bounce off my, well, now they're soaked. Oh my goodness. Look, even the automatic street lamp is on now. It's so disastrous. Oh my goodness, look at the water coming out of the drain pipe. It's a good thing our little Panda's waterproof. 69 horsepower Panda. So sad.